If you're going to treat yourself, and we all deserve one now and again, why not go all the way with my Kit Kat Brownie Cheesecake?
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So to start, let's get on and make the cheesecake base. Into a saucepan over a medium heat, melt down the unsalted butter, then add your chocolate. Now I'm using dark chocolate just because of its richer flavour. Stir gently and mix the chocolate and butter until smooth. Take it off the heat and then add in the other cookie base ingredients, starting with the cocoa powder, the caster or superfine sugar, a pinch of salt, and then whisk until combined. Now crack in the egg and incorporate that also. And finally, add in the flour and gently fold through. You'll end up with this glossy cookie dough that is just so rich and heavenly. Place the batter into a lined cake tin. I use a square one because it fits with the Kit Kats, but you could use any shaped tin. Spread and even out the cookie base to all sides and flatten down. Now, lay the Kit Kats over the cookie base and press down slightly. You can swap out the Kit Kats for any chocolate bar. It's really up to you and what your favourites are. Leave it aside for the moment while we get started on the cheesecake layer. So into a mixing bowl, add softened cream cheese along with caster or superfine sugar and mix until creamy. You want the sugar to dissolve into the cream cheese, and the easiest way of doing that is with electric beaters, but you can do this by hand also if you need to. While the beaters are still running, add in the eggs and vanilla extract. Mix this for another 30 seconds until they're incorporated well, and just go around the bowl with a spatula just in case there's any lumps or clumps of cream cheese. Pour the cream cheese over the Kit Kats and spread out to all sides and flatten out evenly. Place the tin into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. You want a golden brown top that's cooked all the way into the middle. Leave it to cool completely, as tempting as it may be to slice into it. Leaving it to cool will make it much easier to take out of the tin later on. Slice into it and serve, and as I said, if you're gonna treat yourself once in a while, this is the way to do it. What could be better than adding all three together and enjoying every blissful bite?